Good afternoon. It's Mrs. Z, and it is grade 5, mission 2, lesson 16, exit ticket. Divide, show your thinking. Okay, so what is if you divide by 100, so that number is going to get 100 times smaller. So when you divide by multiple of tens, that the number that you divide is losing zeros. But why? For example, if I'm going to do this, I was just simple do this. There is a 2 zeros in 100, so that means I'm going to lose these 2 zeros. And I'm going to rewrite all this digit that are left. So the answer is 170. My brain will do that. Okay, so but it has to be why. Why is this possible? So if you now decompose 170 and times 100, that will be also 17,000 because you have 17 and you have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. So now you can then divide that by 100. Okay, so now you think about 100 divided by 100, it's 1, and then 1 times 170, it's 170. This is harder to because you can you can think that logic, or you can show this way if the fraction line is division line. So you have this number 117,000, and then you're going to divide by 100. So you can separate this into 170 times 100 because you want here to be 100, same as on the bottom. And then you can divide, this is division by 100. So now you can see 100 divided by 100 is going to give you a 1, and 1 times 170 is 170. So that's one way to see that. So next, here you have 59,000 divided by 1,000. So if you look and do this, this is 3 zeros, it's division. So my gonna lose the zeros, 3 zeros, and then or I can just do this 59 times 1,000 divide by 1,000. So 1,000 divided by 1,000 equals 1, if you like that. So then this is equal to 59. That's one way of looking into that. Let's see, next one. I like this strategy. I don't know. ZERN does also 59 times 1,000, and then this divide by 1,000. That also works because these two, and then you have the 59 as the answer. Okay, next 12,000 divided by 40. Okay, now this is you can do that as thinking that this has only 1/10. 4 times 10 is 40, so that means 1 0 it's going to lose. So you can do that right away. And then the left, you can think what the whole digits are. Those are 12. And then you have to also consider these times 100 in your answer. So if you go logically, 12 divided into 4 is 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. But then 3 times 4, it's not 1,200. It is only 12. So you need to add these two zeros. So that is, if you add 4 times 3 is 12, and then you add 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, I probably confused you a lot this time. So let's see how we can do that. If we say that this is 12 times 10, okay, so that is times 10, and then we can divide by 40. So that means we can also divide the 40 as 4 times 10. I'm sorry, I should put this 4 times 10, but that's okay. Anyway, you can think also to do this way: 1200 divide by 40, and then you're going to times by 10 if you like that. That could work. Let's a different approach to it. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then this will be 10 divided by 10 is 1, so I need a 1 0. So then I have to multiply by 10, so then finally again I got 300. That's another thinking, but sorry, too much work. Okay, how about if I try to do that into my strategy with the fraction line, because I like that the most. Ready? Okay, so if I have this to be 12, and I'm going to use all that numbers, so 12 and divide by 40, correct? So now I'm going to change that 1,200 times 10, and I'm going to do 4 times 10. So 10 and 10 will cancel each other. 10 divided by 10 is 1. And now you only have this 12 hundreds divided by 4. So if you think 12 divided into 4 is 3, but then that is 300. If you this divide by 4, so this is going to be 3, this is going to be 1, and the answer is 300. Oops. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, but 3 times 100 is 300. Okay, weird logic, isn't it? Okay, so I'm sorry if I confuse you, right? But I hope that will. Okay, so let's try this. So here we have, let's see, I'm going to use my strategy of thinking. I have here 6 times 100 is 600. This is division line. So now I'm going to do and decompose these two zeros to be on the top. So I will have also 100, and then I will have this many left. So 4800 times 100 is 400 180,000. So this is the same as this. If it didn't, yeah. Okay. So now when you going to divide, you going to say, okay, this is division line, so 100 divided by 100 is 1, so they cancel each other. And then you only can do 48 divided by 6. So what number times 6 is 48? And it is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. But then I need to add times 100, so that is 800. Okay. I hope that makes sense to you, and it's the way I used to learn in my country. So I hope that strategy works for you as well. Okay. You can do the same thing horizontally, but I like the vertical way. And this was Mrs.Z exit ticket, grade 5 mission 2, lesson 16. All right. So, and that is answers. Okay. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.